Google's latest patent, US 12536-233b1, isn't just about search, it's about trust. It allows their AI to verify your brand's data. If the AI can't validate your price, availability, or reviews instantly, it replaces your link with a verified competitor. To help you stay ahead of this shift, I've partnered with SEMrush to give you an exclusive 14-day free trial of SEMrush One. You can find the link in the video description below. Grab it now so you can run the exact trust audit I'm about to show you. In the era of GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, your website is a secondary asset. Your structured data is the primary one. If your schema isn't machine-readable, you are invisible to the agents making purchase decisions. You aren't just losing rank, you're losing the trust score required to stay in the search result. I use the Site Audit tool in SEMrush One to find these trust gaps in seconds. It flags exactly where my schema is broken, so I can fix it before the AI scans it. Then, I use the AI Visibility Score to confirm that Gemini and ChatGPT are actually recognizing the fix. The floor just dropped on the cost of SEO, but the technical bar just hit the ceiling. Don't let your brand get blacked out by the AI trust filter. Use my link below for that exclusive 14-day trial and get your audit done today.